Wales holds a very special place in my heart. When you're wrapped up and you can see the sun starting to rise, just that walk along the beach and seeing the sea, it's one of the most beautiful places in the world. And when you have your friends, your teammates, we're on that journey together, it revitalises me. Being in the ocean, you can just be you, swimming in your own world, in your own space. No matter how challenging it can feel at the time, it's when you get out of the water and you just feel energised and it feels incredible. I wish I could bottle that feeling. This is Wales. Check in.